All right, the drink we're about to make is called a Crimson Sunset. And we'll put our ice in a glass. We're going to serve this in a martini glass, so go ahead and put some ice and water in there, and it'll get it nice and chilled for you. Measure out 1 shot of gin. There we go. And also 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. There we go. And we'll go ahead and chill that, get it mixed up real well. Nice and cold, we're going to be serving it up, so that's not going to have any ice in it. So you want to make sure you give it a good shake. And we'll get our martini glass here, get a strainer, and pour what we have so far. There we go. And now we're going to do a ½ ounce of port. And finish it off with our grenadine, ½ teaspoon. And there you go. You have a Crimson Sunset. Bottoms up.